Hi, welcome to Barcode. I'm going to explain how Kruskal's algorithm works. Let's run Kruskal on this connected, weighted graph. Step 1. Take the smallest edge. The smallest edge is between D and G, with weight 1. Keep repeating this. Always pick the next smallest edge that doesn't form a cycle. No cycles, okay? Next smallest edges are AB and EH, both with weight 2. When weights are the same, you can choose either one, as long as it doesn't create a cycle. I'll pick EH, then AB is safe to add, so we include that too. Now we have 3 edges with weight 3. Let's take CD. Then we have AE and BE. But we can only choose one of them. Taking both would create a cycle with ABE. I'll pick BE. Keep following this rule. Always pick the smallest edge that doesn't make a cycle until all nodes are connected. Now, all the nodes are in the same tree. That's Kruskal's algorithm. Summary: always pick the smallest edge. No cycles. Thanks for watching.